Welcome to Smart Notebook Object. I'm going to show you a few ways to create objects in this episode. We're going to look at the pen tool and the shape tool, the selection tool, text recognition, size, rotate, properties, lock, and unlock. The first thing we're going to do is create a new page or add a page. I'm going to choose the pen tool. Now you can use the pen tool from the toolbar, or if you have an interactive whiteboard, you can take a pen from the tray or use your finger. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spell a word. I'm going to do it the best I can. I'm not going to worry about it being perfect, close counts. I'm going to take the selection tool and select it. You'll notice it is selected. Sometimes you'll have several pieces, but we want to try to get it all in one group. Then I can go to the top right hand corner to the menu and I can recognize it as text. Once I've done that, you will now see I have a block I can move around. Bottom right hand corner is my size handle. It allows me to size it. At the top, I'm allowed to rotate it. Okie doke. And you'll notice I have a menu here on the side. From the menu I can clone it if I want an extra copy, or maybe I want to set the properties and then make some changes. I can lock this item in place so I cannot move it. If I want to move it, I would need to unlock it. Or I can lock it and allow moving. And what that allows is it can be moved, but it can't be edited. If I want to do something else, I can unlock it. You'll notice I have lots of options here. I can do my spell check. I have flip. I can flip it to the left and right, up and down. Order, bring it to the front. Send it to the back. Bring it forward, send forward. I have something called the infinite cloner. I actually like that one a lot. By turning on the infinite cloner, it leaves the original alone and it allows you to then make multiple copies. So I'd like to show you a couple more things here. I'm going to just delete a few of these so that you can see what's going on. We'll delete some of these. Again, infinite cloner, I can go back to that and then delete. And the last thing I'd like to show you here is properties. From the properties, I can check the transparency and I can make it lighter or darker. I can go to the line style and change the color. I can change the font, maybe make it something nice and thick so that you can see it from the back of the room. I can change the size. And again, you have some style options. Another thing you can do here is you can use the shape tool. You can draw shapes exactly the same way. You can use the selection tool to select them. They will have the same features. You can click and drag for size. Move it over here so you can see it. I can click properties. You will be able to change the fill, change the transparency, change the line style and the color. Something dark. You'll have animation and many other things you can do. I can also use the shape recognition tool. If I want to draw a triangle, you'll notice that the pen will guess what you are trying to draw and it will actually fix it for you. I think that's a nice feature. And again, you can pick these up. They have all the same features. This has been a quick way to create some objects. See you next time.